Hi you guys, today this video I'm gonna show you how to check your CVT belt. So first you have to remove all the screw from the air filter box. So remove the air filter, and then you remove all the screw from the CVT cover right here, the chrome CVT cover, so all the screw around it. And also you have to remove this kick start. Let me get back to you after I remove all of them. And yesterday I was riding maybe about 10 mile one way, so it's 20 mile back and forth, and I got some oils leaking down here. It looked like it's leaked from the airbox. So I'll open up and see what's going on, and I'll get back to you. Okay. Let me try to remove it first. See, there's oil right here on the bottom line of the filter cover, and so definitely it's right here. You can see. So let me try and open up and see where's the oil coming from. So the filter itself, it looked pretty clean. There's no oil there, so that's good. And so it looked like the oil probably come from this line right here, which is this is gonna go all the way. It's from the engine probably. So we have to see. I'll go ahead and clean off, and maybe next time if I did a test drive and see if there's any more leaking, it's probably come from the engine. When the speed going too fast, it's it kind of pushed the oil back into here, the filter right here. So but it's fine. We have to see more testing to see if it's actually is something can be bad, or maybe just oil overflow. But right now, today, I'm just gonna clean this off, take off the CVT cover, and trying to check on the belt and see how worn it is. Okay, I'll get back to you. As you can see, I just opened it up. Check it out, the whole thing. Everything looked pretty decent, pretty clean. You see a lot of dust in here, but it's not that much. As you can see right here, you do see a dust, but it's not, to the point that really concerning. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about the leak. So I find out that it's the cover right here is supposed to be, they have the seal right here, but it's not completely sealed. So that's why when you get the overflow right here, it's supposed to come down this cable, this tube right here, and it's not going down here because there's a leak here, so it dripped down from here. So I'll go ahead and seal that up, and that should fix that problem. Yeah, so I guess that's not really. It's just a sealed problem, so I'll go ahead and get that done, and everything should be good to go. So that's indicate that the belt is still in good condition. As you can see, the cover right here, it looked pretty clean. You know, only a couple of dusts in here that you can see, but mostly everything else looked pretty clean. I'll go ahead and measure this up and see how it is. So the brand new belt right here is 835 20 30. So basically the measurement of the side right here is supposed to be 20, so that's a new. So if you check here, the measurement on the belt I was installed in here, if it's running under 17 or anything below 17 or even 17, then it need to be replaced. So let me go ahead and get the belt, the measurement, and see if it's under 17 or not. So basically right here you see the new, so the new one is supposed to be at here. Check it. So it's about 20, right? So that's about 20, right? Let's see how much this is. I'm not sure if you can see that. So it's about maybe 1 or 2. So right now this is probably at 18. So it's still okay. Yeah, 18 or 19. So I guess the belt is still good. So I'll go ahead and check it again at maybe right now it's 1,000 miles. So I'll go ahead and check it at maybe another 500 miles and see how it's going. And if I need to replace it, and then I'll replace it. But overall, the belt condition look pretty good. It might be, I'm not sure, but I'll go ahead and run and see how the belt works. But the belt look great. So you can see there's no damage to it or anything like that, and looks still in good shape. So I'll go ahead and clean everything out and put the cover back in and run for another 500 miles and go ahead and check it again. So I hope you guys find this helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright.